Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set any printer as a default printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and here type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. Here we find our printers and scanner. Here we find our all installed printer drivers. Scroll down and if you find this is checked, allow Windows to manage my default printers, uncheck it or unselect it. This is an very IMP, unselect it. Then go to your printers. Here we find my printers, all installed printers. I want to set this printer as a default printer. Click on the printer that you want to set a default printer. In my case, this is the printer. Go to the here manage, click on this manage button. Here we find set as a default. Click on set as default. Now printer status is default. Go to the back from here and here we find our printer is set as default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.